Hi, my name is Maddie, and I'm going to be walking you through a Nubuck leather care tutorial today. Something to mention is that the way you should be caring for your Nubuck products is different than the way you should be caring for your smooth leather or your pebbled leather goods as well. All of your cleaning supplies should also be in spray form. So first, you're going to take your spray cleaner and give your product an overall spray. Then you're going to take your Nubuck brush, specifically the rubber part of the Nubuck brush, and brush the whole shoe. This will lift any dirt and grime that has built up. Once your shoe is clean, you can spray it overall with a protectant. Make sure you're also spraying any exposed wood or leather soles. Thank you for watching our Nubuck leather care tutorial. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our team at concierge@poppybarley.com.